Pizza Hut. Look at that. This is so good. So cheesy. Yummy. Look at that. Big City. Yum yum. Very nice. Here from Pizza Hut. We have Big City and of course cinnamon roll bread and pizza, chicken barbecue. There you go. And we have our drinks, of course. So nice dinner. Cheers. So nice. Yeah. One of the best pizza in town. Pizza Hut. I like this pizza so much. Lots of ham and pineapple. Yummy. Nice dinner. Cheers. Today we have, of course, pineapple pizza, pasta, and yeah, all of it. Chicken barbecue. This is one of my favorite Pizza Hut from Pizza Hut. So nice. Hawaiian pizza. Yummy. Pineapple. Yum. Lots of cheese. Hawaiian pizza. Wow. So nice. From Pizza Hut. Yummy, yummy. Cinnamon. So nice. Very nice. Balls from Pizza Hut. Very nice. I really love this one. My cinnamon balls. So nice cinnamon balls. Yummy from Pizza Hut. Look at that. Oh, look at this. This is cinnamon balls from Pizza Hut. Very nice. Look at that. I already ate. So hot. Very nice.